Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me HP Compaq device, and now I'm gonna show you how to check device information of your display, of your monitor. So firstly, you need to open main menu, then scroll down and find information here. Click OK. And here you will see all information about your device, your serial number, your background hours, backlight hours, and of course you can check your resolution and recommended settings for your resolution. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.